Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
A startup called Medtel has built a connected care ecosystem using a smartphone app which is specially needed in chronic disease management. They offer dependable real-time data, comprehensive analytics, and actionable insights at both individual and population levels.
So, with the Medtel healthcare journey, started with two doctors and one technology expert who started this platform called Medtel Healthcare Private Limited to solve the problems on the grassroots level, where the doctors acceptance of the doctor, getting the doctor at the patient's place was a difficult task. So, we started a 7-year-old company, this is, and when we started with telemedicine platform where we connect the doctor and the patient over a telephone connection. And the doctor might be there in the metros, and the patient might be in the tier 4 or tier 3 areas where they can connect with the doctor. So, out of doing this kind of exercise for time and again, we have got a very fantastic response. While this telemedicine platform is going on, we found a problem out there. So, the problem is that diagnostics is not being carried away at the grassroots level. So, how to do that? So, we have created, the founders decided, let us create a platform where all the digital diagnostics can be done. So, we came across a lot of point of care devices manufactured by different manufacturers across the world. So, what our team is decided, let us get the best of the best product from the best manufacturers on all these devices. Like point of care devices, you can call it as blood pressure monitor, glucometer, hemoglobinometer, HbA1c, lipid profile, ECG, biothermometer, all these things are point of care devices. Now, how to get it, and we feature each and every point of care devices had its own platform. But we cannot get this each and every platform, you cannot get all the devices and get all the records recorded in each platform. You have to get in, log in and get the record done. So, that's becomes very difficult for setting up a complete package. So, what we did is that we have created a tech platform. As it's a health tech company, we have created a health tech platform where all these point of care devices can be integrated in one single platform, only through a Bluetooth enabled mechanism. So, each and every devices are Bluetooth enabled. So, once they are Bluetooth enabled, they can communicate with the Android phone. We have our app need to be downloaded from the app store and into the Android phone, and from that phone, and we can connect with each and every device need to be connected to the patient, and vitals can be taken. Okay, the best thing part is that the vitals are taken as and when it has been connected to the patient, or automatically the vitals are recorded into as a report, and what are the report comes out, that been transferred to as a PDF format, and a report is generated. The report is generated, and also while getting these devices onto the platform, a very rigorous check is done by a R&D team. What the rigorous test? Before, you can say that before taking a device to the platform, we need at least 4 to 5 months time. What we check? We check their certification, whether they are compliant certified or not. Whether the accuracy, we also check, whether the accuracy, we check with the lab part also. Suppose we take a test from this device and also we take a test from the lab. So, whether they have been exactly matching each other, maybe a deviation will be there, 2 to 3% or 5% deviation might be here and there, it will be there. But we take those devices and connect with the platform and see the accuracy. Once the accuracy, compliance, everything is settled down, then, and it also need to be compatible with your platform also. When this is communicated, so we have created a platform, these all devices are already there integrated into platform. Now, that we take it and put it in a kit, that we call it Medtel iLab.
So, this is our product. This product is called Medtel iLab, which is a lab in a kit box. So, I will open it and show you what's inside the kit box. The box consists of a mobile phone, dedicated mobile phone, with which all these devices are connected either through Bluetooth, USB or other connecting applications. This is a lipid analyzer machine. This is a HbA1c analyzer. This is a glucometer. This is a hemoglobinometer. This is pulse oximeter. This is otoscope. The second layer consists of a digital stethoscope to record heart and lung auscultations, and this is a body analyzer cum weighing scale. And in the last layer we have a ECG machine, we have a BP monitor, fetal heart rate monitor, and a thermal printer. So this is the bigger kit. Now we have customized this bigger kit into smaller kits. This is a diabetic kit and this is a pregnancy kit. This diabetic kit is used for diabetic patients, and this pregnancy kit is used to screen pregnancy patients. So I'll show you what's inside this diabetic kit. We have a body analyzer, we have a HbA1c analyzer, we have a diabetic neuropathy, the biothesiometer, this is glucometer, and this is blood pressure monitor. Now I am going to explain about our pregnancy kit. This pregnancy kit, I'll open up and show you what's inside this kit. So we have a body analyzer cum weighing scale. This is a hemoglobinometer. This is a blood pressure monitor. This is a urine dipstick. Glucometer. And this is a fetal heart rate monitor. So this mobile application name is Medtel iLab, which is available in Play Store, and it works in both online and offline mode. So you can see offline mode is also there. Where there is no internet, you can work in without internet area also. Now I'll start registering the patient and do a test. So we'll start with registering the patient. For registration, we require patient's mobile number, name, gender, height and age. So we'll take patient's WhatsApp number, basically 82490, and then patient name, gender, height of the patient in centimeter or feet, 156. And age of the patient. Next, we'll take a short medical history of a patient, past medical history. Just to have to select if the patient is having any. If not, we can go to next. Then these are some risk assessment questionnaire which will help to give risk score for patient who are above the age of 18 gets a risk score of diabetic. Those who are above the age of 40, they will get a cardiovascular risk score, and if the BP test is done for the patient, then they get a chronic kidney disease risk score. So first question is about the waist circumference in terms of abdominal obesity. So this is basically the pant size or the waist circumference which the patient is having. So first one. Next is daily exercise habit of a patient, whether he is running, doing activities, physical activities for 30 minutes every day. Then eating habit of the patient, whether he is taking fruits, vegetables every day or not. Then the history of blood pressure, whether he is on medication of blood pressure or not. Then blood sugar history, if he is diagnosed with blood sugar. Then the family history of diabetes, whether the immediate family member or no one. And smoking history. Now, once we click on submit, this completes the registration process of the patient. Now, we take a consent from the patient for testing either through OTP, that is sent to the patient mobile number through SMS, or signature consent can be taken from the patient, digital signature. The patient need to sign in this pad, and once the patient gives the consent, we have to click on done, and this completes the complete registration process of the patient. The integrated devices are body analyzer, thermometer, pulse oximeter, BP monitor, digital stethoscope, ECG, otoscope, spirometer, glucometer, hemoglobinometer, HbA1c, rapid CAT tests like malaria, pregnancy, urine, COVID, etc., lipid profile analyzer, fetal heart rate, and biothiometer. So, this app consists of non-invasive as well as invasive tests. So, invasive tests consist of glucometer, hemoglobinometer, HbA1c, and lipid profile. All other tests are non-invasive. So, we will start with glucometer. So, we will insert the strip into the glucometer. Take a small drop of blood into this capillary tube of the strip. And once we get the reading, we will have to take out the strip and click on connect. Once we get the reading, we have to select what is the sample, whether it is a fasting, PP, or random. It's a random sample, we have selected random and we clicked on submit. Now we'll be doing body analyzer. So first we'll be clicking on body analyzer. It will show the instructions. So patient has already removed his shoes and socks. Now we'll go next. Now patient has to stand on it and we'll click on start. We'll got the reading, patient weight, BMI, body fat, and other parameters. Now to save this reading, we have to click on done. Now all the tests of the patient is done. We have to click on this orange floating icon. Click on this complete the screening and the report will be sent to the patient. The patient will get the report in WhatsApp and SMS. Now we'll show the report. It's already saved in POC report of the application. We need to download. So this is the report of the patient. This report consists of the blood sugar, HbA1c. Second page gives the report of body analyzer. Third page is for the risk score, that is diabetic risk score, and the ECG report. So previously it was getting delayed for the stakeholders to get the report. Now on a real-time basis, on the same day, the stakeholders are getting report, let's say for pregnancy checkup or diabetic checkup or NCD checkup.
So this can be this can go to any places, anywhere, in school, colleges, wherever you want to go, you can go there with the lab and do the testing is done. Once testing is done, if the next phase is that we already had that doctor and patient consultation platform, you use that platform, the reports immediately reaches to the doctors. The doctors can see the reports. He's sitting in USA and you are sitting in any corner of any state where the internet connection is there. So they can connect with that and they can prescribe medicines through that particular thing. That is possibility is there. Besides this particular device has been used. A lot of use cases are there. This device are used for a lot of screening tests. Wherever you go, you can see the screening has been done in the platform, like you are setting up camps in rural area, you can screening those people. So why screening takes place? Like you can identify if any risk they are in the high risk or low risk. So we can identify that. So after screening, you can have a complete dashboard who can show how many people have been screened, what are the ages, what are the total vitals had been taking place, everything has been already there. So from that, a administration can work on that, what next plan of action can be done. So as you said, if prevention is better than cure, actually this particular thing is actually working on the field where preventive measures can be taken. The government can write policies on that, how to manage those health issues on the ground. That is what this actually is connecting the bottom of the pyramid to the health cadre, where each and everything 360 degree of healthcare can be taken care of. Initially, we started with 68 centers, sub-centers, where we are giving this particular device to an ANMs on the ground. So ANMs keep this record of the maternity ladies who have been pregnant from semester 1 to last. So it has been such a hugely highly appreciated, and right now we have more than 600 centers has been completed with this. So this is a way forward. If we go, you can see India is a big state, a big country, having number of states and number of centers all over the states. Each and every center we will look forward, this each and every center should be equipped with this kind of product on their platform. The ANM should be having this product. So to seize only one part, I am talking about maternity, then lot of other things are also there. NCD, non-communicable diseases, that comprises of cardiac, diabetic and hypertension. So each and everybody has that, but nobody knows whether I have got it or not. I am a common man sitting in front of you giving interviews, but I don't know what I am carrying with it unless I am not tested on that. So if I go and test myself on a regular basis, so then only I will know what exactly I am carrying, and this need to be there in the system. So that is what the entire platform is that, and we have already have a very good, created a very good impact. Only thing is that need to be taken up to the high level, administrative management level, where each and everybody understand the uniqueness of this particular product.